Where are we going right now? Yeah, Crypt Dogs. But why do we go to Crypt Dogs? Yeah, that was a stupid question. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. It's bacon. It's a hot dog wrapped in bacon with avocado. Oh, sorry, vegetarians. Favorite hot dog place. Oh, she's eating a Crypt Dog. She's eating my favorite bowl. This is a culinary creation. It's a masterpiece. Avocado. There's the salsa. You can't really see the bacon right now, but it's in there. Look at how happy she is. I've also got 2. And also cheesy tots. The first thing that's interesting about taking the elevator up the World Trade Center is that it goes so fast that you actually feel blood rushing throughout your body. It's pretty cool. Now I'm going to show you the view at my friend Jesse's, not his office view, but just the lobby here at Code and Theory and the World Trade Center. This is the view from, obviously, downtown Manhattan. We're up so high on the 62nd floor that we're above the freaking clouds. What a beautiful view. This is an amazing place to work every day. It's also very symbolic, of course, of what happened with the original World Trade Centers. So it's New Yorkers saying, you can't bring us down. Always gonna rise up collectively and surpass any odds.